I spent 3 million to buy a 3-story villa with then spent nearly 3 million to pretend to be like a cave.
There are 4 dogs in our family.
3 cats, 2 birds, and then there are 3 birds. The world's most exciting shoots.
Not too bad.
Almost downstairs.
What should you hear?
I am the visiting team.
Today we are in Qingdao.
It's a very special experience as soon as you enter the door.
This is the dome that ties the church.
As soon as you enter the door, you have a very comfortable.
It's really special.
It feels like the most special home I have ever photographed. Why are stainless steel plates used?
Because this place has quantity.
After stretching, the floor height is about 2.5 to 2.
I want to raise this space a little higher.
It cost less than 3 million to renovate the whole. The house price is basically the same as right.
Few people would be willing to spend.
Renovate for the same price as a house.
But I think decoration is something.
You get what you pay for.
This is a famous attraction.
Something makes me want to get an ID card. When it was just renovated.
Our neighbor is coming to visit.
Then he asked me,
What kind of hotel or B&B is this?
What is the ingredient for this collapse?
This is yellow frozens, a very new material in the past 2 years. But this material has a drawback. These holes in it will definitely hide all kinds.
Oh yes.
It has many small holes.
Because I cook relatively little, I can consider this thing.
I think its beauty outweighs its practicality.
What are the more expensive areas of your home?
Whole house window replacement. How many windows are there in? More than 20 to 30. How much does it cost? It must be several hundreds of thousands.
The views and lighting in your home are really, really good.
This window is very useful.
In fact, there is a saying about frame wells in Chinese garden. Just the frame well and the well.
Why did you choose this place to buy? Behind us is Shaozhou Mountain.
Behind the mountain in front is the sea. According to Feng Shui, it means being also considered Feng Shui. My husband will study Feng Shui, and I think Feng Shui is a thing. If the magnetic field is, you will be very comfortable.
Why does your house look like a cave? It's also because it has that earthy feel here.
This place is made of materials used by a factory.
Called straw paint.
It's about 20 to 30 yuan a bag.
I only used about 2 bags here.
What is this area actually used for now?
Go to a meditation area temporarily. After walking around, I feel that there is no area. There is no area. My husband's area is probably. Didn't you mention your needs during the renovation? Can I apply if I am qualified? Dare not mention it. It's entirely up to you according to your.
Then it is the kind that will support you.
Right.
This staircase is too special, right? It's a Rapunzel's ladder. This one is a little shaky. I sometimes use my hands and feet when I'm tired. It's a completely different style above. A bit like the exterior wall of a century-old school. Because I used to work in Shanghai. Then the second floor is a place where I often stay.
It must be a place with a magnetic field and elements that I am very accustomed to.
So I made the whole room look like this old Shanghai style.
This location is made somewhat like a suspended ceiling in a factory.
I purposely exposed this suspended ceiling. Sister, why do you have 2 men in the kitchen? This is my husband's drinking buddy, a gift I gave him.
In Qingdao, a Kang beer will not be sold outside He couldn't get out of Qingdao before. You must either drink Sanpi or drink 2 cups.
The lighting in the bedroom is also very good.
Here is a wavy shape.
Yes, because this place is actually a tree beam.
It's a very bad thing to have a tree beam on your bed. Plus it's Qingdao again.
It's actually waves. Why is there a mirror in this position?
It has a brightening effect.
Otherwise, it is a whole material. I feel like the ceiling in the whole room is a little hollow.
Now I see that your wall paint is a little bit sticky. This is because of rain.
Then I painted another one myself.
Including the wall in front.
Sometimes the kids scratch.
I just couldn't sleep and got up to paint in the middle of. What kind of niche hobby is this?
Because I am homie. So this place has Harry Potter's elf bank.
And there's also a Harry Potter. This was the last time I went to Universal Studios.
Oh my god, what's wrong?
The living are in danger of death now.
Why would you want to raise so many?
I only had Zappy before.
Then I added another one.
The kind of group that fights at a rescue center. Currently changing families in China.
Wow, this gym is so big.
When I built a gym in my home.
Will it stop me from feeling I was originally a dancer? I have been exercising every day since I was a child. Now that I have developed it, it is very bad. If you don't exercise every day, you will feel uncomfortable.
My dad goes swimming every day all year round.
I also want to swim in winter. My mother also works out every day.
Then you will discuss together the knowledge of fitness.
For example, which muscles should be trained?
Where should I relax?
How to correct your posture? Our family discusses these issues.
My parents and I can talk about anything.
Even where they were buried after they died.
It's totally possible to
Wow, it's very ventilated after opening it.
Sometimes I eat hot pot on this terrace.
Because you can see the night view of Qingdao CBD from this place.
Can you see stars? This place is great for stargazing just after moving. Find the Big Dipper here.
You are not from Qingdao either. Neither of you are. I am from Anhui, and he is from
I have been staying in Shanghai before.
Just work in Shanghai.
Let Beijingers leave Beijing. Then came to Qingdao.
Is it relatively small? Anyone from Beijing can live in New York after I finish staying in the big city.
I still prefer this more natural look.
And your position.
If in Beijing and Shanghai,
Basically hard to find.
you can only live in a place with more classrooms.
Spend time with your children every day. Stay with nature. Read a book.
Have a lot of your own space.
Do your own things in your own time.
I feel very, very happy, very strong.